NFL National Fertilizers Limited recruitment for non-executive workers in different departments: production, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, transportation, marketing disciplines. So this is the advertisement number, and this is dated on 20 of October 2021. Let's see what are the vacancies. This is different units in different branches, so different streams are available for this. So junior engineer assistant grade 2 for the stream of production, the pay scale is around 23,000 to 56,500. 40 vacancies are there. 19 vacancies for unreserved. SC category 7 vacancies, OBC 10 vacancies, EWS 4 vacancies, PWD 1, and ex-servicemen 6 vacancies. So this is for the post of junior engineer assistant grade 2 in the production department. For instrumentation there are 3 vacancies total put together, and the pay scale is around 23,000 to 56,500 for different junior engineer assistant grade 2 posts. And for electrical there are 5 vacancies, and for assistant grade electrical the pay scale is around 21,500 to 52,000. There are 9 vacancies. And for loco attendant grade 3 there are 5 vacancies, and junior engineer that is in production, that is in different unit, that is Bathinda unit. The pay scale is around 23,000 to 56,500 for the junior engineer assistant grade 2 in production, instrumentation, electrical. The same is the pay scale. The number of vacancies in this unit is 26 vacancies for production in different respective units, and the categorical vacancies are this way. And for the instrumentation there are 6 vacancies, unreserved 4 vacancies, 1 vacancy for SC category, 1 vacancy for OBC, and for the junior engineer assistant grade 2 just 1 vacancy, that too for unreserved in this unit. And loco attendant there is 1 vacancy, loco attendant grade 3 6 vacancies, attendant grade 1 fitter that is in mechanical stream 3 vacancies, in electrical stream 6 vacancies. And Vijaypur unit, the junior engineer assistant grade 2, the number of vacancies are 21, unreserved 10 vacancies in the department of production, and SC category 3 vacancies, ST 4 vacancies, OBC 2 vacancies, EWS 2 vacancies, total of 21 vacancies in production department. For instrumentation 6 vacancies, that too for unreserved. For electrical 1 vacancy, for junior engineer assistant grade 2, that too for unreserved. And for loco attendant 3 vacancies, and loco attendant grade 3 8 vacancies, attendant grade 1 14, attendant grade 2 4 vacancies. For marketing division the pay scale is around 24,000 to 67,000. Total number of vacancies are 15, and unreserved 7, SC category 2, ST 2, OBC 3, EWS 1, PWD 1, ex-servicemen 1 vacancy. So these are the respective departments where the vacancies are available. And the qualification for junior engineer assistant grade 2 is diploma or regular BSc with physics, chemistry, mathematics with 50% aggregate in for general category, and 45% of marks you need to get the aggregate percentage, FIC, ST, PWD, or regular 3-year diploma in chemical engineering with 50% of marks in order to apply for the post of production. And the maximum age criteria is 30 years and minimum age is 18 years. And for instrumentation the requisite qualification is diploma in either instrumentation or control, or electronics instrumentation, electronics control, industrial instrumentation, process control, applied electronics, ECE. So these are all the branches those who can apply for this post, those who have diploma degree. And for assistant grade 2, that is junior engineer assistant grade 2 in electrical, the requisite qualification is diploma in electrical or electrical and electronics. For attendant grade 1 SSC plus ITI for all the attendant grade 1. And for loco attendant grade 3 SSC, that is plus full-time ITI mechanic diesel trade is required for this post. And for marketing representative regular BSc in agriculture with 50% of marks in aggregate. So the education qualifications for marketing representative is BSc agriculture. The maximum age criteria is 30 years. So this is regarding number of vacancies, the eligibility criteria, and the non-refundable application fees is rupees 200 per marketing representative, junior engineer, assistant grade 2, local attendant, assistant grade 1, grade 2, local sheet. So the application fee is 200 rupees, and also there is a reservation criteria we have already seen, and the tentative dates are also given. And before that, the application date starts from 21st of October 2021 to the end date of application is 10th of November 2021. So till 5:30 p.m. Only one application per candidate for a particular post is allowed. And need to apply, go to the careers page of NFL, and the online examination will be conducted. So candidate have to apply for online examination. The centers for examination are these are the centers for tentative centers of online examination shall be at Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, Delhi, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Bhubaneswar, Ranchi, Bengaluru, Kochi, Amaravati, that is in Andhra Pradesh, Guwahati, Kolkata, Patna, Gwalior, Raipur, and Lucknow. So these are the tentative centers of online examination in different states. And also the selection procedure for Group C, that is non-executive post level, there will be no interview, and selection of the candidate for appointment shall be made purely based on the marks obtained in the online test and subject to some verification of certificates. So this is regarding the selection procedure, only purely online test based, that is merit based criteria. And the last date to apply for this is 10/11/2021. The starting date is 21st of October 2021. So cutoff date for all the eligibility criteria is 13/39/2021 is the cutoff date. We need to go to careers page, recruitment in NFL, and recruitment for non-executive workers in marketing and transportation. So this is the official site where you can just see here recruitment of non-executive workers in marketing, transportation, and various disciplines in 2021. We just click here in the advertisement number, advertisement. The link will be given in the description. So this is regarding the number of vacancies and also recruitment of National Fertilizers Limited for non-executive workers in different streams. Thank you. Have a great day.